In today's video, I'll teach you how to create Stripe account for your online business. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in stripe.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Stripe. So if you want to create the account for yourself, click on this option, get started, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to create your Stripe account. So what you have to do is simply provide your email address over here. Or you can also sign up with Google if you want. So simply click on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to enter my email address. So click on the field of email address and enter the email address over here. Also enter your full name. After you do that, click on the field of password and create a strong password for yourself. Now once you enter the password, select the country, click on the field of country. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the country of your choice. Now what you have to do is click on this option, create account, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here your Stripe account has been created. Now what you have to do is simply provide these informations in order to set up the Stripe account for your business. So first of all, enter the business name over here. Now also provide the business website if you have any. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see the question over here, what type of business are you and what do you offer? Simply click on this field and enter your business information over here. Now after you do that, click on this option, continue, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see the recommendations based on your business details. So what you have to do is simply check the options that you need and click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see this question, are there other ways you want to use Stripe? So simply click on the options of your choice and click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to get started in your sandbox. Click on this option, go to sandbox, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to use the Stripe in order to manage your online business. So like this, you'll be able to create and set up the Stripe account for your online business. So that is how you create the Stripe account for your online business. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.